Hey guys, good evening. So this is Onecopy alongside with Benita, Diamond Queen, Melinsa. We have the girl Wheezy. Today is very special to me. It's like a few more days to my departure. They are all here. They came to spend a day with me today. These are my 4 girls. Like we are super. I think we are all doing the same lipsticks, girls. You know, it's a unique day. I'm so grateful to you guys for coming. So, what do you have to say? Each person can say something.
We are so excited, you know. This one babe here have finally made us proud. At least God has finally answered our prayer. She will be leaving very soon, so stay tuned. You can more from us, okay?
I know. So, what's up, Benita? Okay, this is Melinsa.
You know, I'm Melinsa, childhood friend of Joffrey, and my advice to her: she should be serious over there and don't forget about us.
Okay.
And for us to know where we came from a very long way. So she should know that and she keep that in her mind. And she always know that she have a sister back here and she should connect us.
She is going to my YouTube
to you
channel.
People. Do you understand?
I'm putting this on YouTube. Come.
Hi.
Hey.
Miss Georgina Dubba. You can call me Wheezy as baby. This is our Onecopy, Jafina. Jafina Onecopy. Yeah, she'll be leaving us very soon.
So we have like 5 more days.
4 more days.
Yeah, baby.
So we'll miss her so much.
I love
you so much.
Love you too. Guys, don't please subscribe to my new YouTube channel.
Best friend ever. Best friend for life.
I'm just trying to start making use of YouTube. So guys, wish me some luck. This is LIB, Liberia, West Africa. We are damn proud to be Liberians.